The chaotic, fluctuating, and intense Middle Eastern crisis, particularly between Iran and United States of America, have brought up various consequences for both the parties. But particularly in the context of the FIFA Summer World Cup that is going to take place on 11th June 2026 has also prompted some tensions, particularly with the leadership and the Iranian Football Federation. Now, the entire context lies in the visa denial of Iranian Football Federation President Taj Mahdi, who was about to go to Canada last month to attend a FIFA conference. But because of Taj Mahdi's former association with the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, he was denied visa, and that has prompted some austere conditions from the Iranian leadership and Iranian Football Federation towards the co-host, particularly the United States of America, in the context and matters of upcoming FIFA World Cup. Football Federation President Taj Mahdi had said that the Iranian football team would compete but without retreating from their beliefs, cultures and convictions, and the co-hosts, particularly the United States of America, shall take all the concerns and conditions of Iranian football team into account. And in this particular matter, number one condition that Iranian leadership had put forth to the co-host is that all staff members and all football team players shall be provided with the visas, and there shall be smooth issuance of visas on one hand for the football team players and also for those people in the staff who had affiliation with the IRGC on the other hand. Number second condition that was put forth by the Iranian leadership and Iranian Football Federation was that special security arrangements and protocols shall be ensured for the football team of Iran and the staff that would be accompanying them, keeping in consideration that the visa issuance and security arrangements prerogative lies solely within the jurisdiction of the co-host United States of America. And finally, they have also put forth a condition to the journalists in that entire FIFA scenario that those journalists shall not ask or interrogate the football players beyond the technical matters of football itself. It implies that they shall not interrogate or they shall not ask any question that is political or that has any military or conflictual nature. Thank you.